15, 2022, the court, presided over by Justice Frank Roxin Abodji, said it has taken judicial notice of the attempts to settle the matter. The court said negotiations cannot be conclusive if UTAG is still on strike. Consequently, the notice for interlocutory injunction was granted, while the substantive matter for enforcement has been adjourned to February 22, 2022. This means, while the substantive case is to be heard, UTAG is to put on hold the strike and go back to the negotiation table with government. The University Teachers Association has from January 10, 2022, withdrawn their services and has for the past month not been able to reach any agreement with the government. The court on February 2, 2022, ordered the NLC and UTAG to settle the issue out of court. However, the university teachers and the NLC have been at loggerheads for weeks. The strike has affected academic activities in the public universities. NLC had gone back to court to secure an order to compel teachers of UTAG to go back to the classrooms. The court, presided over by Justice Frank Roxin Abodji, has given the parties another chance to settle the matter out of court. Justice Abodji adjourned the case to Tuesday, February 15, 2022, for an outcome of their deliberation. Meanwhile, representatives of both the NLC and UTAG reacted to the decision by the court.
Well, I am not aware of any active negotiations ongoing at the moment. I am not aware of that. My understanding of the whole matter is that the government had said that if they did not suspend the strike, no negotiations will be had. So that's the point where we are. There's complete frigid silence on negotiations at the moment. So no negotiations are currently ongoing. And I wish to remind you that the main motion, which is seeking to enforce the directives of the Commission, is still before the court. The hearing of that application has been adjourned to the 22nd. So on the 22nd, we're back in court for the main motion to be heard. And let me repeat that that main motion is seeking to enforce the directives of the Commission. And the directive of the Commission is that UTAG should go back to the classroom because the strike they have declared is illegal.
As we know, they are already on strike. The Commission had made its own determination given its directive. So, having filed a substantive action, that is the enforcement of our directive, in the meantime, we sought to file this interlocutory application, which the court has granted. This order means that while the substantive case is being heard, or is going to be heard, which will start on the 22nd of March, UTAG is to call off a strike, return to the lecture hall, whilst the substantive matter is being heard. And as the judge rightly referred, in their own affidavit, if the court grants this application, they have no option than to return to the lecture halls as the court directs, and that is what the court upheld.